little bit of a mess in here as I was kind of working through this stuff. Small victory for me, but the entire time that I've owned this car, I've never had the panel vents working. And then all of a sudden in the last little while, I had all of the, I couldn't select modes with the climate control here. It was always stuck on defrost. And so I kind of did a whole bunch of troubleshooting. I even went as far as taking apart the climate control and stuff. Just to find out that basically I had two vacuum leaks. I had a vacuum leak under the hood where the main vacuum manifold is, and it comes off of the manifold and goes and feeds into a check valve in here, and then that spreads off into the reservoir and then off to this climate control module. And so what I did was I used a bit of like glue and then some shrink tube, and then I shrunk that out there, and that fixed the being able to switch here. And then the one yellow vacuum line that ran from here down to the actuator, it was broken off right at the actuator, so I was able to grab another hose with the end on it from the junkyard, but then I had to splice it in as well into here. But now it switches over really nice, and I've got panel vents here blowing really hard, and floor, you can see it blowing down there. Fantastic. This is actually a different climate control module. I grabbed this one when I was at the junkyard. I didn't really need to, but I thought maybe it was my climate control module, so I figured this one's in nice shape, I might as well keep this in. And yeah, combination, defrost and floor, here and here. And what I actually did was, yeah, I think I told you already, but the vacuum lines, I just butted them. I cut them so that they were a clean cut, and then I put them end to end with shrink tube cable, shrink tube off to one side, and then I put I had this like rubber cement. I put that just sort of as a seal, just to help it seal on each end around the hose here and the hose here, and then I used this torch to shrink it, and then that holds the vacuum lines together. It's now glued and stuff. I don't see why that shouldn't hold up well. There's not a lot of flex in the area or anything either. It's kind of in behind the dash, in behind the hood there. So we'll see how the solution holds out. Now the next thing for me is going to be air conditioning, trying to get the AC working, to see if there's any leaks in the system and have it recharged and stuff. But yeah, little stuff all the time. So, all right, well, thanks for watching.